Hoy, dapat maganda. Huwag mapakita yung chan ko ah.
Normally, you put gatas when after the sahog.
No, I want gatas in the bottom. It's my choice.
Okay, fair enough.
And then you put this. And then...
Uy, kaong! What is that, sago? Ah.
Oh, you put sago in your halo-halo? Okay.
You don't?
I don't. Can I just put ano?
Ang RD, English pa na halo-halo.
Sayang nga eh.
Smaller spoon, the better.